दोस्तों, अगर आप यूपीएससी, सीएसई या आईपीएफए एग्जाम्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, then this video is really important for you because in this video I am going to share with you some very important piece of information. What that information is, I will discuss in a short while in easy language. But before that, guys, I must warn you that कई सारे YouTube channels में बहुत फेक और मिसलीडिंग किस्म की इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर की जा रही है, जहां पे वो ये बता रहे हैं कि अगली एग्जाम डेट्स भी आ चुकी हैं, बट दैट इज सिंपली नॉट ट्रू. Hello and a very good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to my channel UPSC Decoded. I'm your very own Shalinder sir. I'm going to share with you today 100% authenticated piece of information directly sourced from the horse's mouth. That is the UPSC website. You can see this PDF has been sourced from the UPSC website, which is upsc.gov.in. Now, what is the information? What is that critical information which all the aspirants who are preparing for EPFO and CSE, they must know about? So this circular says that the commission reviewed the situation prevailing due to COVID-19 pandemic, and because of the lockdown restrictions deteriorating situation in the country, the commission has decided that it would not be possible to conduct exams and interviews for the present. Now the question is, kaun se exam? So guys, please listen to this very carefully. The first exam is EPFO 2020, which was scheduled on 9th of May 2021. It has been deferred until further notice. Now 2020 क्यों लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे? Because EPFO 2020 का जो नोटिफिकेशन है वो जनवरी 2020 में आया था, और लगातार ये जो एग्जाम प्रीलिम्स है जो पोस्टपोन होता रहा, एंड फाइनली 9th of May was supposed to be the prelims, but अभी दोबारा से पोस्टपोन हो चुका है. The second exam is the personality test of the Indian Economic Service, Indian Statistical Service Exam 2020, which was scheduled during this period, that has also been deferred until further notice. And the third exam, about which a lot of you aspirants would be very curious, is the Civil Services Exam 2020, जो 26th of April से 18 जून तक scheduled था, and it has also been deferred. Now guys, naturally I'm sure that some of you would be thinking that दोबारा से अभी deferred हो गया है, anxiety होगी, stress होगा, but I would say that please take it as a blessing in disguise, because ये जो opportunity है आपका, जो further delay हो गया है, जो intervening time, देखो exam तो होगा ही होगा, but इस time में आप और ज़्यादा अच्छे से exam की तैयारी कर सकते हैं, because there are a lot of people who have just started for EPFO, उनके पास ज़्यादा समय नहीं रहता, तो आप और अच्छे से तैयारी कर लीजिए. अगर आप एडवांस्ड स्टेज में है प्रिपरेशन की, तो आप और ज्यादा अच्छे से तैयारी करिए ताकि पहले ही अटेम्प्ट में EPFO एग्जाम क्लियर हो जाए. Likewise, the civil services aspirants who have cleared the mains and are waiting for the interviews to happen, my 2 cents for you as your mentor and as your friend would be to utilize this time in building your personality, further polish it by having those mock interviews, by having group discussions, by maybe some sort of public speaking, so that you're more comfortable when you finally go and appear in the interview. Because interview में guys आपको 1 mark भी अगर extra मिल जाएगा as compared to other competitors, other candidates, that can really make a lot of difference in your overall ranking. So please take it very seriously and consider this as a blessing in disguise. Now a very important question naturally is, अब जो prelims है UPSC का 2021, which was scheduled on 27th of June, वो कब होगा? Because this entire cycle has got delayed, और generally UPSC final interview करके जो result होते हैं UPSC के, वो release कर देता है before the prelims for the next session they are conducted. So we don't know for sure whether they are going to be deferred. Most probably, I think, because this entire cycle has got postponed, they would be held later. And what is the date? Nobody knows. But we'll have to stick to what UPSC says for any further notification. So I will keep you posted about it. For that, you'll have to subscribe to the channel. But as of now, those of you who are preparing for prelims 2021, प्लीज अज्यूम दैट प्रीलिम्स 27th of June को ही होगा, और आप प्लीज किसी भी तरीके से डिस्ट्रैक्टेड मत होइए, पूरी तैयारी करिए पूरे जोरों से, ताकि फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ही आपका प्रीलिम्स क्लियर हो जाए. नाउ Another important information which UPSC has mentioned in this notification is that it will be ensure that the candidates are given the notice of at least 15 days. So अगला जब भी नोटिफिकेशन आएगा उससे आपको बीच में कम से कम 15 दिन का समय मिलेगा ताकि आपको एक ब्रीदिंग स्पेस मिल जाएगा. सो इट शुड नॉट बी दैट आज आपको नोटिफिकेशन आया और कल आपका एग्जाम हो गया, ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट फ्रंट ऑल्सो. सो गाइज दिस वाज ऑल दैट वाज कंटेन्ड इन दिस नोटिफिकेशन. आई थैंक यू सो मच. प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड प्लीज डू शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. उनको भी ये जो क्रिटिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो पता होनी चाहिए. थैंक यू सो मच गाइज. आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. टिल देन हैव अ गुड डे. बाय बाय.